Greetings to you, students at home. How are you? Happy to meet with you once again. For some times we have been having our studies online, and I've been using slideshow or PowerPoint to introduce some of the lessons. But you are so privileged that I have to speak to you through the bots today. See, what we're having here is word processing. It's a revision of what you had been taught already. In word processing, you did this in this topic, you treated this topic when you were in JS1. Even though they're in JS1 now, they treated it last week. But now I still want to refresh your mind about what is word processing. You have been hearing of word processing. We can now ask ourselves, what is word processing? Word processing simply means the typing, editing, formatting, production or printing of documents such as what? Books, letters, reports, menu, so on and so forth, with the use of a computer program that is known as a processor. You see, with the processor make word processing to be very possible. You see, there is a very great difference when you use word processor, a processor to process your document. Is quite different from when you use ordinary typewriter. Typewriter may just give you a particular font, a particular size, a particular color. You can beautify your work. But with word processor, you can do a lot of things with your document. So like now we talk about the uses of word processor. We have so many uses. Number one, word processor changes the appearance of text. It changes the appearance of a text. You can make your text to be more beautiful. You can bold your text, italize your text, you can underline it, you can put color, choose whatever type of font that you prefer that is to your taste. You see, that is the function of a word processor. Number two, it allows the orderly organization of document. You can type and organize your document as it ought to be. It allows for correcting of error. It helps you to correct your error. Whenever you type and make mistake, you can neatly backspace your keyboard, the button, and clean up whatever is not relevant. Then you now type the correct thing. Unlike ordinary typing, ordinary paper, you can now use eraser, use saliva to clean it, dirty your work, or ruffling your document. But with word processor, you can neatly clean and edit error. Through word processor, that's number four, we can format our document. That we can bold it, italize it, add color, and so on. Many copies can be printed with the word processor. You can type, maybe for example, our examination question. It's only one copy that will be typed in a computer. After typing that one copy, then we can now produce more depending on the number that we want. That is a result of word processor. Number six, it allows the preview of document before printing. Preview means you have to check to know if it sizes the paper you are using and so on and so forth before you're printing. Number seven, it helps to check spelling. It helps you to check spellings of words. At times you type word wrongly, but with the word processor, it will underline any wrong spelling. For them, it will not help you to correct it instead of typing, and at the same time you come back again to do double job. So word processor is very important, very nice. It allows, number eight, it allows the storage of document. When that document will be needed, is make word storage of document possible. Examples of word processors. We have so many examples of them. So many, but I have few of them here. I think only 11 here for you on the board. Number one, we have Microsoft Word. I picked this as number one because this one is the most common word processor that we have. We can see this in our school, see this in our homes, see this in the business centers and in different places. So we have Microsoft Word, you have your WordPad, WordPerfect, Notepad, WordStar, WordWrite, Multimate, Army Pro, Microsoft Works, EasyWord, pacemaker, and so on and so forth. Thank you very much for refreshing your mind, and I believe you understood the lesson. Thank you, and God bless you.